Good afternoon, everyone. So I don't know how this one's slipped through the radar, so to speak. I thought I'd uploaded the video for this, and now I can't find it, and the listing is up today. So I'm quickly doing another video for the Husqvarna 65. It's a beautiful old vintage saw. It came to me as a non-runner, and it had a problem with the ignition coil, which fortunately I had a replacement one, and problem with the fuel feed, and it's had a new spark plug, and I put on literally a brand new full chisel steel branded chain, thing of beauty. It's running a genuine 18-inch Oregon bar in fabulous condition. Had a slight repair to the exhaust, runs and idles beautifully, and a few people list these saws as being made in '68, the original 65s, but actually Husqvarna started making this saw in 1966. So a beautiful old vintage saw. I'll show it starting and idling, and then after I've done that I'll put the camera around it, take the covers off so people can see exactly what's for sale. Kill switch. I hope that's clear. It idles beautifully. It starts absolutely. It just has that old type of engine feel to it, which just is an effortless starter. Okay, so I shall pull a couple of the covers off and hopefully give you guys a real overview of how it looks and whether or not it's suitable for one of you out there. So, I don't know the age of this particular saw. I'll show you the serial numbered badge though as well, because it's nice to see it. And so it is at its oldest. This saw, I guess, is 53 years old, incredibly. Side cover, no brakes. Guide plate. Steel chain is, I'll show it on a close-up on the camera, is virtually brand new. It's cut maybe once or twice, never had to be sharpened. Let's put the other guide plate there. Okay, I shall quickly remove the side cover. Don't want to bore people with these videos, but it might be nice for people to see. Slightly unusual design, the A65, insofar that the top cover, or the engine shroud, again which is magnesium alloy, is retained by both the chain cover and the pull start housing, and so if you want to actually get into the top of the engine, you remove both side casings, the back case, and then you can remove the top case. And also, I'm pretty sure it will need. Alright, okay, that will come off without the spark plug coming off. Okay, so. Okay, thanks for bearing with me. So here we are then. Not sure how much the sun is blasting this out. So a beautiful solid nose Oregon bar. Chain in, well, excellent condition. Like I say, I think it's been cut with twice and hasn't been sharpened. Pull housing looks very clean. Has a slight break in the bottom right hand corner, so please be aware of that. Going to the side of the flywheel, all the pulls are intact. Unusual on the older saws, the Husqvarna had 3 starter pulls rather than the conventional 2. They're all intact with the springs. No vanes broken on the flywheel. Beautiful aluminium handle. I don't think this is an original hand guard. The original pictures from 1966 don't show this, so I presume that's just an option which you could buy to have an extra bit of protection for your hand in case you slip forward. I love the tank venting system as well on the old Husqvarnas. This up-over tube goes over the top, round to the clutch side. Serial number badge, no brakes on the handle. Kill switch working, as is the throttle lock and the choke, all working. Chain oiler working. No felling spike. Obviously a repair to the exhaust here, and possibly some damage on this lower corner, but again, it's the first A65 I've had. I've had the 70s, so I'm not sure what should have been in that corner, or whether or not initially it came with a felling spike. Onto the covers, chain guide plates, side cover, really good condition considering its age, 50 years. No apparent breaks in it, just paint missing. Back shroud, plastic, again, no brakes. And the front engine shroud for cooling, all mag alloy. Obviously some marks, but again, no brakes. Okay guys, sorry that video is so late. It's a beautiful old saw. Starts really well. Up for spares or repair on eBay. Any questions, please just ask. I've left it late, so it's, if anyone wanted to come out, you're more than welcome. I guess that's probably unlikely, and if no interest this time around because I've been slow with the pictures and the video, I'll relist it again. Thanks for watching.